was something when I looked into. A lot of flexibility, a lot of family time, and that's very important to me. So this is a big reason why I chose this business. My background comes from 20 years experience in the mattress manufacturing industry. I ran a local mattress manufacturing company, and from there decided to open up an upholstery business. And for about 2 years that was going well, and I wanted to add to it. And from there I was looking into embroidery machines, walked into an Instant Imprints location in O'Fallon. Within an hour I was sold. About 8 months later I had my own store. So that's kind of what brought me to here, and I'm going to kind of give you guys an idea. You'll see a lot of setups over here, a lot of things that we do. I'll kind of pass some stuff around and you guys can see it up close. But big thing with us is a touch and feel type of atmosphere. So basically it's everything you need to promote. So we provide products and services for you to promote your business, your school, your team, your organization, and your event. Basically, we offer custom t-shirts, signs, banners, promotional products, document services, business apparel, and we do a lot of team and school uniforms. Instant Imprints offers limitless solutions, but only has one purpose, and that's helping our customers promote. We can't print on anything, whether it's golf balls, pens, cars, buildings. There's nothing we can't print on. Almost everything we do is directed in-house. About 90% of our business we do actually in-house service. We will help you find whatever you need, whether it be shirts, banners, trade show displays, mugs, or business cards. We are locally owned and operated, and guarantee competitive prices and a very fast turnaround. Basically, again, this means that by us doing everything in-house, we're not waiting 7, 10 days, 2 weeks to get things done. As a lot of you have brought business to me, which we are very thankful for, you know that the turnaround is extremely quick. And that's what we try to rely on. Who our customers are, again, it breaks it down very simply. It's organizations, businesses, schools, anybody who's going to plan an event. That's basically what we do. And then this is what makes us different and unique. We are the only national brand offering all these services in one building. So that does kind of set us apart a little bit. Our showroom set us apart. And again, like I said before, it's a touch and feel type of situation. You can come into our showrooms and we have displays of polos, all types of different products that we carry. You can come in and take a look at everything. And then we do win business on service. When you come into our store, you will always see myself or Dave at all times. Dave is our graphic designer. He does all the setup work. He is extremely knowledgeable. He comes from a computer background. He worked for Dell Computers for 20 years. He was a great fit for my business. So you're going to get personal attention there. And then we make the customer buying decision fun. We don't take ourselves extremely serious. Even though we are a serious business, if anybody's been into our building or our store, they know we have a pretty good time there. And we understand we're not at a high risk level here. We're not going to give somebody food poisoning. We don't own a restaurant. The worst thing I can do is mess up somebody's shirt. So we do understand what we do is very simple, but it is a need. It's a need for our customers to get what they need. So to kind of break it down a little bit here, individual categories, custom t-shirts. This picture here, this was actually sent to me just yesterday. A group of guys came in and had a mud run. The reason why they sent me the picture, they wanted us to know how much attention they got during their mud run. This is a very simple design. I don't know if you can read it, but and we will literally print anything on a shirt. We're not so, this is the mud of Puckins. So, it was a fun run, we got it. It's not, again, a lot of people get embarrassed when they come in, but you don't need to be, because we've seen a lot worse than that. and of course, you can imagine what's on the back of the shirt. It's all 69. So, number 69. But they sent it to us. They got over a dozen compliments and wanted to know where they got it printed from. So by us doing 4 T-shirts, we got a lot of advertisement out of it because they told everybody where they went. So again, it's it's something that we do take pride in, and I wanted to get their picture up there and show them. But it's not limited to just that. It's it's casual business. If somebody has a family reunion. Screen printers don't typically do 1 or 2 shirts. You can come in, have 1 shirt designed, and we'll do it for you. To break down the sign and banners, those top pictures up there, that was for a trailer that we did. Company's called Compassion Services. They drive around, deliver products and food to disaster areas. They just got done with the Oklahoma tornado disaster, and so we actually did a trailer wrap for them, which turned out really nice. I want to keep those pictures up there. But as you can see, it's not limited to just that. We did 10 of these signs from Mellencrot and going around all their buildings, and then full-size pop-up banner. These are really nice to display your images on, and they're very inexpensive. So, yard signs, real estate signs, just basically any type of signage that you can think of, we do right there in-house. School and team, uniforms, volleyball, baseball, football, track. We've done just a little bit about everything, and softball teams are a big part of that, just recreational softball teams. So that's kind of another niche of what we do. Promotional products. This is the one feature that we really do not do in-house. Coffee mugs we'll do in-house, but as far as most everything else, anything like bags or the golf towels, we will basically sub out. I deal with the 400,000 different vendors across the U.S. and Canada, so if I can't find a better price for you than what you would normally see, I can go online and literally track down some really good companies. And then the business apparel, whether it's dress shirts, polos, outerwear, hats. This is, we've had, I'll pass out a couple of these here. This is some of the embroidery jobs that we did. Kyle Hannigan with the Siding Company. We did a lot of hats and shirts for him. So that's another part of our business. Document services, you'll see up here in the corner up here, the Cowboys ticket. That was made for our own very own Chris Hansel. His wife came in, wanted to do invitations, kind of behind his back, didn't know anything about it, and we designed a football ticket for him. And it was for his wedding in Dallas that he got married on the Star. So it's another something else we can sit down and design with you. If you got an idea, we'll take care of it. But this is the biggest part of it, in-house production. Whether it's embroidery, signs, banners, T-shirts, document services, we're doing everything in-house, and you'll be able to talk to us and have that. We'll help you out with that. The local showroom is a big thing too. Anybody been in our showroom? We have everything in there. We don't have every sample of every shirt, but again, if somebody is going through our catalogs and say, I really like to be able to see how that feels, I'll order it for you because I'll just hang it on my rack if it's something that you're interested in. So, we work together with that. These are a couple of different jobs that we did. Mr. Sparky is designed by our own Melissa Wilson. She actually sent me the artwork over, and we printed it and went out and installed it. So that turned out good. A couple other things over here. The embroidery job on the bottom of Ferguson Roofing. We actually put that on the back of a Cardinal jersey, and that was 161,000 stitches that we put on the back of a Cardinal jersey. But before I could put it on his Cardinal jersey, I had to sew it out. 6 hours of just sewing that to make sure that everything was perfect. And that's what I mean by nothing goes out the door unless it's absolutely perfect. The bottom trailer, or tractor hood, was for a 10-year-old kid who had a design. We put it together for him, we laid it all out, we did a tractor hood wrap. And then on the top up there, you'll see the Mayberry concrete. We did some door hangers for him. Very simple design. These are some of our recurring customers, the customers that come back to us all the time. You'll also notice down at the very bottom left, there's Healthy Life Chiropractic. They do